Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this OPPO. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same now blue shortcut. You can also go into settings, scroll down just a bit and click on location. Then tap on this switcher next to location services to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!